How Soccer Meets Style, a hilarious night at Ronaldo, and Kardashiaan's buffet. Hey, folks, ready for a laugh? Picture this: Cristiano Ronaldo and Kim Kardashiaan teaming up to open a restaurant. It's like mixing soccer with Hollywood glam. Let's jump into the craziness of a Ronaldo and Kardashiaan food adventure. Ronaldo's workout vibe. So, you know Ronaldo, right? That guy is so serious about working out. Even his morning coffee might be doing exercises. His stomach muscles are so strong. Send postcards saying, "Wish you were here," doing sit-ups. I heard Ronaldo's workout music is so lively. Even his exercise machine needs a break. Have so much good stuff, you might think you're eating a party. Kim's glam touch. Now, here comes Kim Kardashiaan. And suddenly the whole place gets fancier. The lights change. A gentle breeze flows, maybe from her makeup routine, and every dish looks like a superstar. Her salads have more style than my entire wardrobe. Imagine the restaurant staff trying to keep up with Kim's selfie game. They probably have a whole class on how to hold the plates, just right for the perfect Instagram pic. Tilt that sandwich a bit, the cheese needs to shine. Specials and deals. They've got these specials. Goal celebration night gives you a discount every time Ronaldo scores. The tricky part: you might find yourself cheering for him during a chess match on TV. Checkmate, ghoul. And selfie Sundays. Take a great selfie with your food, and you might end up on Kim's social media. People are probably using special sticks to take photos of their desserts. Wait, need the perfect angle for this ice cream pic. Entertainment. There's music with Ronaldo's workout tunes. Because apparently, breaking a sweat while eating spaghetti is a thing, and sometimes. Surprise visits from Kim's famous friends. You might end up sitting next to someone like Kanye asking for some salt. Think about charity events. Ronaldo signed soccer balls being auctioned for a small fortune. Meanwhile, Kim's beauty products are sold with a pitch like. Buy this makeup, and you'll look so good. Even your mirror will ask for your autograph. So, a restaurant by Ronaldo and Kim would be a wild ride. Where soccer meets glamour. Where salads are more exciting than a big game. and where the kitchen is as hot as the latest gossip. Here's to the Ronaldo Kardashiaaan restaurant, where every meal is a win, every dessert is a party, and every selfie is a masterpiece. Thanks, everyone. You've been an awesome crowd.